Great morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about second chapter. That's name is matter around us pure. So in the last video we had discussed what are matters, what are now substances are made up of the one kind of atoms, but mixtures are made up of the different type of atoms. But you can say elements. Elements, on the other hand, they are made up of the one kind of atoms. So now, substance, a kind of matter that cannot be separated by a physical process, is called as a substance. For example, sugar, iron. So, sugar, iron, water, and salt. These are the examples of substances. Substance, it is a kind of matter that cannot be separated by any physical process. It is called as substance. So, what are the characteristics of the substance? That contains only one type of atoms and molecules. Perfectly, they are homogeneous, means they cannot be a separate boundaries. They have a definite melting point, boiling point, and density themselves. Now, what are the basic things that separate the substance? Substance जो होते हैं उनकी separate boundaries नहीं होती. So, for example, जैसे sugar है, iron है, water है, salt है, they are made up of this single type of atom. वो आपके एक type के atom से बने हुए होते हैं और molecular state भी उनकी same होती है. As you know very well, जब number of atoms आपके combine करते हैं तब आपके molecules form out होते हैं और जब नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स आपके कंबाइन करते हैं तब आपके कंपाउंड फॉर्म आउट होते हैं. तो लाइक वाइज जब आपके सेम टाइप ऑफ एटम्स ज्वाइन करेंगे उससे हमारे मॉलिक्यूल्स बनेंगे और मॉलिक्यूल्स के कारण ही हमारे कंपाउंड्स बनते हैं. सो सब्सटेंस आर कैन नॉट बी सेपरेट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू देम एंड दे आर कॉल्ड एज द होमोजीनियस सब्सटेंसेस. नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द मिक्सचर्स, a form of matter in which two or more substances are present in any proportion, so they will called as mixtures. Mixture is of two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous or mixture that don't have the separate boundaries, they are mixed together. We cannot separate them with the visible eyes. We have to separate them apart. So you can say homogeneous mixtures आपके फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो है कैरोसिन है, सॉल्ट सोल्यूशन है, इस कंपोजिशन ऑल दे हैव द प्रॉपर्टीज लाइक दिस, सो दे आर द होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर. बट हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर्स आपके वो मिक्सचर्स हैं जिनकी सेपरेट बाउंड्रीज होती हैं एंड दे आर फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे सैंड है, वाटर है, सॉल्ट है, आयरन पाउडर है, दे हैव ए डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज ओवर देयर. नाउ व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द मिक्सचर्स? They are made up of the two or more substances in any proportion. They don't have a fixed proportion over there. Shows the properties of all the constituents and no energy is absorbed or involved to make the mix. Means mixture बनाने के लिए हमें कोई एनर्जी ना तो ऑब्जॉर्व करनी पड़ती और ना ही मिक्सचर से कोई एनर्जी रिलीज होती है. सो दीज आर द बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज दैट इज़ यूज्ड बाय द मिक्सचर्स. मिक्सचर्स में जब हम हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर्स की बात करते हैं तो हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर्स की सेपरेट बाउंड्रीज पॉसिबल नहीं होती. दे डोंट हैव द सेपरेट बाउंड्रीज एट ऑल बट दे आर द सिंगल बाउंड्रीज एट दैट ऑल. नाउ व्हेन द मिक्सचर्स आर गोइंग टू बी टेक अप दे आर in the different compositions at their level. So now when we are going to take solutions are the mixtures of the solvent with solute. Solvent is present in the larger quantity but solute is present in the smaller quantity. Solutions are homogeneous mixtures and rest of mixtures are heterogeneous because they have the separate boundaries at all. We cannot identify sugar solution in the water. Now components can be separated by simple physical methods. But when we talk about elements, an element is the simplest form of the matter which can be split into the simpler substances by any chemical or physical method. So this statement was given by Antonio Lavoisier. So element is composed of the atoms of the same kind which is of 115 elements. Out of that, 92 are natural and 23 are man-made on the basis of physical and chemical properties of the elements, classified into metals, non-metals and metalloids. Metals have the separate properties, but non-metals have the separate properties. Metals have a lustrous, they have a shine, they are malleable, they are sonorous, and they are the good conductor of heat and electricity. But on the other hand, non-metals, they are brittle, very soft in nature, they are the bad conductor of heat and electricity, and they are non-conductors of the electricity at their level. Now, when we talk about the metalloids have the properties with the metal and non-metals. मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स को मिक्स करके हमारे मेटलॉइड्स तैयार होते हैं, और यही मेटलॉइड्स क्या करते हैं, दे आर हेल्पफुल टू मेक द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मेटलॉइड्स. नाउ boron has silicon, germanium, all these are the examples of metalloids. When we take the example of non-metals, for example hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, all these are the examples of the non-metals. Now we will talk about the compounds. A compound is made up of the two or more elements that combine chemically in a definite proportion by the mass, and all compounds are formed by result of chemical reaction, hence called chemical compounds. So water is a compound that is made up of hydrogen and oxygen with a combined ratio of 2:1 by its volume. So compounds में जो ratio होता है आपके एलिमेंट्स का वो फिक्स रखा जाता है. सो इन केस ऑफ मिक्सचर्स दिस रेशियो इज़ नॉट डेफिनेट, इट इज़ नॉट फिक्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू इट. सो दैट्स वाई वी कैन से कंपाउंड्स आपके फिक्स रेशियो में बनाए जाते हैं. दे हैव ए फिक्स रेशियो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू different elements together. So now in this video we have learned different type of compound, different type of molecules and states. So in this video we will talk about this. In the next video we will try to be discuss about the next materials. Thank you and have a nice day. Great morning students. Today we are